So welcome to Chapter 20, Primary Challenge Math. Let's zoom in a bit. Rick rode his toy car for n minutes. How many hours would you say he rode? So you say to yourself, well, I'm going from minutes to hours. There's fewer hours for the same amount of time as minutes. So I'm going to divide. And what am I going to divide by? Well, if I had 60 minutes, if I divide by 60, I get 1 hour. So I'm dividing. So I'd say n divided by 60. Well, when you look at the next one, you say to yourself, if the total is 75 cows and pigs, so n plus pigs are 75, to find it, you could just say, I'll take away from 75 the number of cows, and that'll equal the number of pigs. So it's always easiest to get the smallest number and go from that one. It's not entirely true here, but it's mostly true. So Tom is double his brother Sam's age. So if we're saying Sam is n, then Tom will be 2 times n, or 2n. Jordan is 6 years older than Sam, so Jordan is whatever Sam is plus 6. Laura is half of Tom's age. Okay, so Laura is 2n divided by 2, but that's just n, so she's the same age as Sam. Sam's 3 times older than his pet rat Shadow. Okay, so if you look at it from Shadow's point of view, Shadow is Sam divided by 3, or you can write that as n over 3, or even 1/3 n. So decimeters are smaller than meters, so if you have a meter, you have 10 decimeters. If you have a meter, you have 100 centimeters. If you have a meter, you have 1,000 millimeters. And if you have a meter, you have 1,000,000 microns. So each meter if a meter is n, then a decimeter would be 1/10 of n. A centimeter would be 100th of n. Millimeter would be 1,000th of n. And a micron would be 1,000,000th of n. And so we have ducks and cows. So the number of cows is n, so to know how many cow legs there are, we take 4 times the number of cows. And to get the number of duck legs, it's a little bit tricky, so first we have to figure out how many ducks there are. Well, if there's 50 total animals, then if we take 50 minus the number of cows, that gives us the number of ducks. And that is what we want to multiply by 2, because each duck has 2 legs.